Today we have a 1989 Mercedes-Benz 560 SL, the last of the model range, in exceptional condition in black pearl with mushroom leather. We are going to drive it today with this hardtop on since it's 30 some odd degrees. This car has only got 17,000 miles from new. So let's go. Well, here is our cold start. She's been sitting outside for hours and hours. Put the headlamps on. We're gonna warm it up and show you what a 17,090 mile original 560 SL that has been taken care of, maintained, serviced, polished to the hilt since basically new. I think we just say that that's babied since new. Is that not?
Sure.
No. Some days I want him to speak, some days nothing. Okay, a wealth of information. So anyway, I'm not sure what else we could tell you about this two-seater Barnstormer. Oh, its brakes work really well. So it is a Mercedes. It does everything right. It is got cold AC, which we're not turning on today, but guaranteed it works. But the heater right now is even better. We're going to take it down, trying to beat some of the light, find a couple open roads, show you that it is basically a new 560 SL in every way, shape, and form. So it's got records, books, tools, and really no disappointments. So enjoy the quiet ride, the solid ride, and hope you like it, because we're going to show you how it cruises. Goes around town real quick, a few flybys. They'll be rather silent in comparison to the Cobra that we just videoed. So it says, how they say in Fat Greek Wedding, these apples and oranges.
It's actually getting quite warm in here. So.
I know, so we'll lower it here for a second, but here, let's lower the fan. Let's actually turn it off because it is toasty. It has got cruise control. Everything is working. There isn't anything I can say that's derogatory about this 560 SL. It is an amazing find. It has been in collector ownership for quite some time with a friend of ours. And look.
Tally ho!
Again.
This is very comfortable.
For all of you guys who think I'm kidding, I need to put a muzzle on.
Wow.
Did I say a muscle?
A
I think
muzzle.
I said a muscle, but it's a muzzle.
Yeah, it's pretty.
Yeah.
Pretty
You know
rough.
what that is? Just pretend there's a muzzle on you right this moment.
Pretty rough.
Okay. Okay. Well, so you know we're showing you all that this is a Mercedes in its best form, and it tracks. It even tracks straight, even when it's on an angle, because that's exactly where I wanted to go. Bam. No hands. She's really an excellent SL. So we're going to signal. We're going to go down the farm road because there's still a little bit of light. Probably do a few flybys here, and then we will come back to you to show you how she cruises and a little bit of the power on the farm road, or the FFR road. So I'm going to show you how well it brakes and ask that Jason get out of the car. Okay, well, flybys at dusk. We're hoping that this video actually you can see something going on inside the car, outside of the car. Let's see how she's cruising, running through the gears. You accelerate. Big V8. So she's very happy. Again, she's been well known to us for quite some time. Here we are, just running down the farm road. Show you how well she's cruising, and looking for a little bit of light. I hope everyone's enjoyed this road test. I'm sorry we didn't do it earlier in the day, but I think you get the gist. This is one fine 560 SL in absolutely every way. So thanks for riding with us today. I hope you enjoyed the road test, even though it was a little dark outside. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching, everyone.